Alright, I'm gonna try something different today. I normally do just unboxing, but today I'll be doing an unboxing for my April BOXYCHARM, and at the same time we're gonna try it on. Okay, here's the April BOXYCHARM. First, we got these little cute paperwork. The first that we got is this primer, and the brand is Touch In Soul. I do love this beauty brand. I do believe this is from Korea, and a big packaging, really big packaging. I love their primer. I have the primer that I'm using right now is the same brand of this, and I love their primer. Very cute packaging though. Ooh, pink, super nice packaging, pinky girly color. And this is what's look like, guys, the packaging. And when you open it, oh, smells good. I love the smell. And this is what's look like the product. All right, let's try it on. Oh, it's cold. I can feel it. It's cold in this. It's cold. Ooh, I love that cold feeling into my skin. All right. Ooh, it's really cold into my skin. Nice. And the smell's not bad at all. Super nice. Next is this vitamin C mask. I'm not gonna use it today, but if I'm gonna use it, I'll let you know, maybe. This is what's look like the packaging, and this is what's look like the product. Next is this super cute packaging, again very cute packaging of 2-piece of tweezer. Really cute packaging, guys, of tweezer. Ooh, at least I have an extra tweezer just in case that I lost my tweezer, I couldn't find it. At least I have another extra tweezer to use. Two types of tweezer, the pointy one and then the kind of like a different shape. So two types of tweezer. All right, next two products left is for, I do believe this is for the eyes, and I'm gonna do my foundation and eyebrows real quick, and I'll be right back to try these two products that we have left on the box. Alright, I'm back, done with my foundation and my eyebrows and my blush on. Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. I heard that this is really nice eyeshadow palette, and they have these very natural shades. So maybe I'm gonna try maybe just 2 colors, because I do work today. I don't wanna to put a lot of eyeshadows on my eyes. And yeah, I'm just gonna use these 2 colors. This one, maybe these 2 colors, we'll see. I'm nervous. I don't know how to do eyeshadow. Bear with me, guys. I don't know how to do eyeshadow. And alright, I'm just gonna play with this. I'm using this like a flat eyeshadow brush, and I don't know, I'm scared already do my some of my makeup, but anyways, I'm gonna use this one. Let's do it. Ooh, that's really pigmented. Oh wow, That's good enough. Let's do the other side. Yeah, it is really pigmented. Okay. Alright, there you go. Move on to the next one. I need a flat one brush, so I'm using this. Let's try to use this very flat one, and I'm gonna use this like a shiny shimmery eyeshadow color. They don't tell what color, what shade is it, but I'm just, ooh, I like the color. Pretty. I'm scared to blend different kind of color of eyeshadow, especially when I'm filming. And oh, I like that color. Nice color. Okay. There you go. Very simple eyeshadow look. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna try to use this. I don't know, is it black or brown? I'm not sure, it's hard to tell. I'm gonna use this one for my lower lash line. Nice. I think it's a little bit better. So I decided to put a little bit here too on my top. Alright, next is this Dragon Lash tubing mascara. Never heard about, what does that mean, tubing mascara? This is what it looks like, the packaging, guys. And oh, the packaging is so nice. They had those dragon print on it. Super nice packaging. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Ooh. Ooh. Give a like difference on my eyelashes. Okay, my favorite for this April box is this primer, Touch and Soul primer. I do love this beauty brand. Actually, the primer that I'm using right now is the same brand of this one. And second one, I'm excited with this vitamin C mask. I'm excited about this one. Super nice packaging as well. And yeah, I can't wait to add it to my skincare routine. The mascara is super cute packaging. Cannot wait to use it for my natural makeup look. Very nice. I like the packaging, like really like a fancy packaging with a dragon print on it. And also the tweezer is nice to have an extra one, just in case I do need an extra one. I do have an extra one. And also the eyeshadow, very natural shade of eyeshadow, a natural look of eyeshadow. And then the packaging, I don't know why the packaging is heavy, really heavy eyeshadow for only 5 shades. It's heavy packaging. Natasha Denona. Never heard about this brand, but I hear this is a really nice beauty brand. So alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video to your friends, and again, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.